Hello everyone, this is Glauco Pires from Mammoth Interactive and we are about to start a Unity crash course. This is a very simple course. There will be only 30 minutes of lessons, but this is targeted for beginners, so in case you are learning how to program, in case you are starting in the game industry, this will suit you very well. You will learn the most simple concepts of game development and you'll be able to make a very simple game that you can later evolve, you can add some art, make it feel better, feel funnier, and maybe evolve into something that can be published in the biggest stores available like the App Store or the Google Play Store. I've been developing games for the last 5 years, so I've worked with Unity and I have worked with the HTML5 platform. I've worked with Flash, I've worked with Construct. I've made plenty of games that are present as well in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Okay, so let's get started. Before everything, you need to download the Unity platform. So just head to unity3d.com. Okay, very simple. And right in the beginning of the page, there will be a button which is to Get Unity Now. Alright, it's present right here. So we'll just click it. And you'll be presented with 3 or 4 different versions, which are Personal, Plus, Pro, and Enterprise. Since we're beginning to learn and we won't be making a lot of money yet, we'll just select the free version and click Download Now. After that, you'll be presented with this page. Just select Download Installer to get started. Alright? Okay, so after this video is done, I will ask you to just simply open the file you just downloaded. Alright? Go through the instructions to install the Unity engine, and after that you'll be presented in a screen where you create a unique Unity ID. This is basically a login and password combination that you will create in order to use the Unity services. And after that we will go to our next video where we will learn how to set up a very simple and basic Unity project to have our terrain ready to develop our games. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.